Hi, I'm Jeremy Fisher, and this is an easy guitar tutorial for the song Sky Full of Stars by Coldplay. Please like and subscribe to this channel to see more content like this. In this quick tutorial, we're going to learn easy chord voicings and a simple strumming pattern that will take you through the whole song. We're going to break down the two different parts, the verse, chorus, main part of the song, as well as the outro. Let's get started with the chords. I've got my capo at the 6th fret, and the first chord is an A minor 7. F major, C major, and E minor 7. And the strumming pattern we're going to use goes down, down, up, up, down, up. Switch chords, down, down, up, up, down, up. Switch chords, down, down, up, up, down, up. And switch chords, down, down, up, up, down, up. A little bit quicker, that sounds like this. Now you might have noticed that I just voiced my chord for the F a little bit differently. I use my thumb. And the reason I did that is because when I'm transitioning from the A minor 7 to the F bar chord, I have to lift up all my fingers so that for a brief moment, nothing's ringing out on the guitar. And I find I get smoother transitions when I play that F chord the wrong way by keeping this finger in place so that note is ringing out. And I use my thumb to wrap around to hit that F chord. You can do it either way. If you're practicing getting that bar chord to sound just right, work with that bar chord. There's no right or wrong way to do it. I just wanted to show you why I made that choice. We can use the same strumming pattern for the outro, but I'm gonna count it out loud because there's a little trick going between the last two chords, all right? 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So when I'm going between the A minor 7 and the C chord, I'm changing chords on the beat 2 and. So it's gonna be an upstroke. I'll do it one more time, counting out just that last part. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. So it sounds like this when I play it to time. All right, that's the whole song. That's the easy guitar version of Sky Full of Stars by Coldplay. If you want more tutorials with chord charts and tabs or to connect with me personally, please visit patreon.com/JeremyFisherMusic. And I'll see you here soon for another music lesson.